Really on do all that you can. Give me a daydream, keep me going slow. Oh, I don't wanna stay me. Sad is my song. When you believe in things that you don't understand, you'll suffer. Superstitions anyway.
I'm inviting everyone. This June 1st will be the Philippine Independence Day in New York City, and I will be excited to say that I am part of the show. I will bring, no, I will perform with our OPM king, the concert king, Martin Rivera, and I think there's one ABS-CBN female group, which is the biggest, that will be part of the show, and I don't think they na announce na, but yeah, so yeah, you should look out, and you should I'm looking forward to see everyone and just say hi, thank you.
I got nothing more to say. Very superstitious. Devil's on his way. Oh. Very superstitious.
Everybody give it up one more time, real loud for Sophronia. See, when you step in the Collier, you never know what happens.
Right, rolling. Hi everyone, this is Sophronia Vasquez, and I wanted to invite everyone on my concert this July 19, 2025. That's Saturday. So I hope you grab your tickets at ticketmaster.com, or you can visit Town Hall's website. So I would still perform some of the songs that I did from The Voice, but I think they were looking for. I think they should be looking out for the songs that I have never been able to sing on the show, and working especially with my musical director Troy Laureta. Yeah, Troy Laureta is a great musical director. He is David Foster's favorite musical director, and so I also will be able to bring in some friends from The Voice, and yeah, it's a great reunion, and yeah.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating pinakabagong video. At sa vlog po na ito is magbibigay po tayo ng update kay Sophronia Vasquez kung ano nga ba ang kanyang mga ganap ngayong mga araw na ito. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At kung doon sa ating mga naunang vlog ay napag-usapan natin itong interview ni Miss Charo Santos dito kay Sophronia Vasquez, doon pagkatapos nung ma-play itong MMK kung saan ay tampok itong buhay ni Sophronia Vasquez. Ngayon naman po mga kapolitika ay nag-perform po itong si Sophronia Vasquez dito sa Calle Dinner sa Rivington sa New York. So kasi na-announce nga natin doon sa ating mga naunang vlog na magkakaroon siya ng performance dito sa isang dinner kasama itong mga Pinoy guests. At the same time meron pong mga foreign guests na umattend dito sa nasabing live event.
superstitious anyway. Give it up for Edie, ladies and gentlemen. I got nothing more to say. Very superstitious. The devil's on his way. Oh. Very superstitious. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
I'm gonna give it up one more time, real loud for Sophronia.
Samantala, dumalaw rin po si Sofronio dito sa Philippine Mission to the United Nations in New York. Kasi nga dito nga siya nag-perform dito sa Cali Dinner sa Rivington sa New York. At dumalaw rin po or bumisita si Sofronio bilang kabahagi dahil ngayon ay todo na po ang pag-promote ng kanyang maging concert dito sa New York, which we expect na talagang ito ay magiging isang napaka-successful na event mga kapolitika. At yun din po ang inaasahan ng kanyang mga supporters at ng kanyang mga followers. So bumisita siya dito sa Philippine Mission to the United Nations in New York. Ambassador Antonio M. Lagdameo warmly welcomes the Voice Season 26 winner Sofronio Vasquez to the Philippine Mission in New York. Mr. Vasquez will hold his first solo concert in New York City on July 19 at the Town Hall. So dito po ay on top po ito doon sa magiging live performance rin po ni Sofronio Vasquez sa Utica, New York. So doon po sa mga nag-aabang kay Sofronio Vasquez, marami po tayong aabangan sa kanya sa mga susunod na buwan. Kung kaya patuloy lang po kayong nakaantabay dito sa ating YouTube channel. At doon po pala sa mga nagpapasalamat sa palagi ko pong update sa inyo kung ano ba ang mga ganap ni Sofronio, ay walang anuman po at maraming salamat din po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta at pagsubaybay dito sa ating YouTube channel. Kayo po ang naging dahilan kung bakit patuloy po tayo nagbibigay ng mga update, ganap at mga whereabouts ni Sofronio Vasquez. Okay? So ano po ang inyong maging reaksyon dito sa performance ni Sofronio sa Cali Dinner sa Rivington sa New York City? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Very superstitious. Writings on the wall. Very superstitious. They're about to fall. Yeah. There's a mumbo baby. Both the looking glass.